Hi everybody, I'm Jill, the content manager at LovelySkin, and I'm unboxing a new arrival from one of our very favorite brands, SkinCeuticals. Meet Clear Daily Soothing UV Defense Sunscreen SPF 50, a daily broad-spectrum sunscreen that hydrates, soothes, and calms sensitive, redness-prone skin. It has a lotion-like texture that feels really lightweight on the skin. It's not greasy, and it leaves a transparent, cast-free finish. So let's dig into the ingredients. It has a special peptide, which soothes sensitivity, bisabolol, which you may know better as chamomile, to reduce visible redness. It also has glycerin, which acts as a humectant and draws moisture into the skin. But the star of the formula is a hybrid chemical and physical UV filter blend that reflects and absorbs UV rays for sun protection. What makes this sunscreen extra special is an innovation called NetLock technology. It's new to SkinCeuticals, and it helps to evenly distribute UV filters for more consistent protection. It's fragrance and dye-free, and while it's especially great for sensitive skin, it's suitable for all skin types and tones. You're going to want to try this. For more unboxing videos, product pics, and education, like and subscribe to the LovelySkin YouTube channel. Bye.